Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and cozy beanie using the front loop, only single crochet technique. This method creates a beautiful ribbed texture that's soft, stretchy, and perfect for everyday wear. For this project you'll need medium weight yarn, a crochet hook that matches your yarn, stitch markers, a yarn needle for finishing, scissors. Start by making a slip knot and chaining the length needed for the height of your beanie. For learning how to crochet foundation stitch in detail, click on the eye icon. This chain will run from the brim to the top of the hat. For an adult beanie, chain approximately from the base of your ear to the top of your head. To the slip knot, we will be adding more chains. This is the foundation chain. Foundation chain give the length we want for the beanie. Here I am chaining 45 chains for the foundation chain. You can choose according to the size you need. Now we have 60 chains, and we will go to the next row. Always chain one before going into the next row. If you want 60 chains for a beanie, make 61 chains. For learning how to single crochet in detail, click on the eye icon. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet. Continue placing one single crochet into each chain across. When you reach the end, chain one. And turn your work. From this point on, we'll be working front loop only, also known as FLO. Each stitch has two loops, a front loop and a back loop. For this beanie, insert your hook into only the front loop of each stitch. Single crochet into the front loop only across the row. Finish the row 2. Now chain 1. Turn your work. And repeat this for the coming rows. As you continue, you'll see a stretchy rib texture begin to form. Keep repeating these front loop, only rows until the rectangle comfortably wraps around your head. It should stretch slightly but not feel tight. Make sure to use stitch markers as a beginner. Once your piece is the correct width, fold it in half, lining up the short edges. Chain 1 before starting to join the sides of the beanie. And turn the project. Now fold it into half. Using single crochet or slip stitches, join the two edges together through both layers to form a tube. So, insert the hook into the first chain, which includes both front and back loop. Then, insert the hook into the first chain in the other side. Now yarn over. Pull through both the chains. And also, pull through the last chain. Which means, we'll have 3 chains on the hook and pull through all the 3 chains. You can hide the extra yarn during this time, if you have any. Now continue the process. See how seamless the joinings look like? Now we reach the end of joining both ends. And I am pulling the remaining yarn out. As we don't have enough yarn to work with, here I am going to connect 2 yarns. The method I am using to connect 2 yarns is the fisherman's knot. For fisherman's knot, we need to keep both the yarns parallel to each other. Then, right hand yarn on top of left hand yarn. Then bring it under of both the yarns and insert the end yarn through the loop. And tighten it by pulling the both ends of yarns. Do the same thing in the other side also. Now, pull the running ends of both the yarn. Cut off the extra fabric. Now we have a perfect, tight, and seamless connection of 2 yarns. Now we'll close the top of the beanie. Thread your yarn needle with a long tail. And weave it in and out of the stitches along the top edge. Continue the process until it reaches where it started. Gently pull to cinch the opening closed. Then secure with a knot. For the finishing touches, weave in any loose ends using your yarn needle. At this point, you can leave the beanie as is or add a pom-pom if you'd like. And that's your finished front loop, only crochet beanie. Simple, modern, and cozy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to Minimal Stitch Company for more minimal, beginner-friendly crochet projects. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, finding it helpful. And please write your comments and suggestions in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting!